The Insta360 X6. Everything is set up exactly like the Luna with the Mic Pro in the application on a -1 dB. I wear my mic by the chest bone right here. As you can see how my DJI mic is right here, just a little lower. And I basically can go out and shoot video like this without a microphone, and you can hear that louder than the X6 in the same position using the microphone. So what I'm going to be doing now is a sample test of just saying test 1, 2, 3 in both cameras. Then I'm going to be switching over plus 3 dB and see if there is a difference. This is a test 1, 2, 3 Luna. Test 1, 2, 3 Luna. This is a test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. This is a test 1, 2, 3 plus 3 dB. Test 1, 2, 3 Luna. Now I'm going to put these side by side and see which one sounds equal to the Luna. Leaving it at plus 3 dB, leaving it at 0 dB, it does not justify if asked. So let's see what it looks like, and you'll decide if that is a big difference for you, being a little lower, being louder, and so forth. These are the concerns that I see for me. And thank you for your time. I'm vlogging today, and I have a concern that I am addressing to myself, and it's about the dB levels of the Luna Ultra and the X6. And what we'll do is we put the two clips, or a few clips that I need, into that vlog that I made. I thought I'd stop by, take a beautiful shot, sun overhead. Doubt you hear the boat take off a little. And I'm on the Insta360 X plus 3 dB and corrected the application to 0 dB rather than -1 dB. And do I sound as good as I'm supposed to sound? Or does 0 dB works out for you and sounds just as nice? I'm going to increase it back up to plus 3 dB. And that should equal with the Luna Ultra. I'm not into switching mics back and forth all the time. That's like making me go get another Mic Pro and name it Mic Pro 2. I don't have the mic on, and I'm talking in that same natural voice. And you don't have to have a mic, they say. They say the camera could do just fine. But what if, hold the camera out, I'm about 6 feet plus with a selfie stick. And Insta360 selfie stick 3M, it's way too heavy. You need a smaller pole, a lighter weight pole, so you don't bend it down. I think I got my shots, what I wanted to do, and with the Mic Pro right now. Yeah, all these different shots, different scenes, same area, gives you that idea. So as I ride along, give my talk, give my share, and end my vlog. All I gotta do now is go back home and listen to the videos. Put it on the headset, on the speaker, on the natural speaker. And then I have to decide, did I nail it down that this X6 needs 3 dB plus. Maybe one day we'll have 2, 4, 6, 8, like so. All the dBs we can do. What company was it that the dB level needed to be adjusted and people were complaining? And it was the mic as well as the camera. There you go, people. So here I am. I could finalize my talk. No, the mic's not on. And I could, oh man, remove this and switch to the mic and use this as a mic. Camera or cameras. As we update firmware, it improves the camera the best we have. And you have to decide, just because of this little tweak, that Insta360 made a mistake, that they could increase the dB level by doing just a little bit more tests or having the people out there do that test for you. And on that note, I hope the video made some sense that the dB level on the X6 should match all the cameras like the Luna, the Go, the Ace Pro 2, even the Ace Pro 3 when it comes out. We're going to have a little bit of changes, and that's the way it is. And on that note, I'm Fish. I'm glad I found my issue and resolved it. Have a great day.